So hey guys, in this video you have already read the title what we are going to do, but in my recommendation please follow all the steps because I know many of you will just try to skip it to the part where you will be told how to install the module, but I'll always recommend you to follow each and every step because I know how it works and I am the first one of them who got the access to it. So yeah, this is a very big shout out to Spencer D who made this module available for A34. As Samsung devices, you can't just download a random camera to API enabler and it's going to work. It has to be ported for a device. So let's first go to Camera 2 Pro, which you can find in the Play Store, and you will see this hardware support to be limited, which means you can't capture raw photos or have self-controlled features. So in this you can see raw capture is also crossed out. So let's move back and you will, this is the Gcam and you will find the link for it in the description. So I'll open it and you can see it crashes out immediately. It shows that apps keep stopping and you will close app. Now first thing, you need root. You're using Samsung A34, you need root on that. And in my recommendation, kernel SU is one of the best to root this. Magisk is not much recommended. Now there is the big difference which I'm going to talk about is in the stock camera app, you have this 12:128, you can see over here, 12 and 48. Okay. And now when you move to video, you can see in this video, you will be seeing when you tap over here, you get this HD. You get this HD, Full HD, Ultra HD. In HD you get 30, which is HD is 720p, Full HD is 1080p with 30 frames and 60 frames. You get the option to select in 2 frames, and in 4K, which is UHD, you get 30 frames. So everyone will think like, yeah, fine. So you get these features. So now that's the part. Now what we are going to do is we are going to install the module. So you'll see over here this module and you have to select, go to module, select on install, and once I go there I'll be selecting my module from where I have got it. So this is the Samsung A34 Gcam enabler and we are going to install it. It will take few minutes as it's a 1.1 MB file, and once it's done you have to just restart your device. So you click on restart, and a big shout out to Spencer D who made this, and it's one of the best thing for Samsung A34 right now, except the UN1CA ROM. So now we are going to let our device start up. And regarding this boot error, whenever you're trying to boot you get this big error, I'll be making another video after this which will be solving this issue and you are not going to face any more boot issues. And if you haven't watched it, I'll recommend you go check in my channel and you'll find the video there. So this annoying software not being official notification that you get, not notification, it's a warning when you will start up your device, will be gone forever. Yeah, that's the best part. And there's a guide and I'll be just showing you the entire method of how to do it. So once we are like letting our device start up, we have to wait. So now once our device has started up, you have to just wait few seconds, and when you go into your KSU Next Manager, you will see it shows now the module is 5. You will go check in your modules and you will see Samsung A34 raw support. And now you will be thinking, oh okay, fine. So what does it do? So now I go into Camera 2 Probe, and in Camera 2 Probe you will see the hardware support moved from limited to full. So this is what we wanted, and you can see in this part over here where it was capture support was crossed out, you get capture support now. Sorry, raw capture, I'm very sorry, it's raw capture was crossed out. Now it's a green tick, which means that we have got the Camera 2 API enabled. Now once I try to open the Gcam, you'll be seeing that it starts up, and yes, it's working. I'll be providing the same photos I clicked from the normal and the Google Cam, and you'll see the difference. I'll be shooting videos. So now once you go into portrait, you'll be seeing portrait works, you see photo work, you see night shift work, you see panorama work, you see photo sphere works. Everything is working on this. Now the biggest difference that you are going to have is in the video. Once you go into this video, you'll be seeing this setting over here at the top, at the bottom right. You will be waiting and you will see, okay, now in the top left you will see this icon and you have to click on that. Now over here you see these two options, which is full HD, that is 1080p, and it is set to 60 hertz or 60 frames per second. I can set it to 24, 30 or 60. Now we can also set it to 4K and 60, and I have tested it. It works. You can record videos in 4K 60 and you get slow-mo, you get time lapse, and you can also record slow-mo at 1080p. You can also record time lapse at 4K. Yeah, you get 4K time lapse. So very clearly our device was well capable enough of lot of things, but Samsung just by its software bottled it out so that we can't use it to its full potential. So here you go. This is the complete method of how to get the Gcam working, and yeah, it's an official Gcam. I can show you. This is the version 9.4.103, yeah, something, and you will find the link for all of these file in the description. Yeah, a huge shout out for Spencer D who made this module possible. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll recommend you all please subscribe to my channel, because I'll be coming up with more videos related to root and everything, because I see a lot of people, approximately 98%, not being subscribed, and a lot of people are getting help from this video. So please consider subscribing and liking the videos, because it helps me grow and motivates me to make more videos for you all.